Welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. In this video, we'll take a look at Chainlink, its future developments, and why investors should keep an eye on it. Chainlink is one of those exciting projects that's trying to solve significant problems in the crypto industry. What is Chainlink? It's an open-source, decentralized network that aims to connect blockchain to off-chain data sources with the help of oracles without requiring third-party middleware. The platform has been able to achieve this by utilizing a decentralized distributed pool of oracles. This means that instead of relying on a single source for information, the platform distributes the task of providing data among multiple oracles, ensuring greater accuracy and security. Oracles are essential for smart contracts to access real-world data. That is not only accessible, but also trustworthy. By using a decentralized network of nodes, Chainlink provides a tamper-proof and trustworthy source of data that triggers smart contract actions automatically, making them more secure and reliable to use. Chainlink's architecture includes two key components, on-chain and off-chain. The on-chain component executes the smart contract, while the off-chain component provides real-world data to the smart contract. Let me break down what are on-chain and off-chain. On-chain refers to the blockchain platform that executes smart contracts, while off-chain refers to the external data sources that provide information to the smart contracts. In simpler terms, on-chain is the blockchain where the smart contract runs, while off-chain is the real-world data that the smart contract needs to perform its function. To understand this better, let's consider a real-world example. Suppose you run an insurance company and you want to automate the process of settling claims. You create a smart contract that will pay out the policyholder if their flight gets delayed or canceled. The smart contract will need access to real-time flight data to determine if a payout is necessary. This is where Chainlink comes in. The off-chain component of Chainlink allows the smart contract to access real-time flight data from multiple sources such as airlines, airports, and weather services. The smart contract can then execute its function based on the data received from these sources. This eliminates the need for a middleman and reduces the chance of fraud. The on-chain component of Chainlink ensures that the execution of the smart contract is transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. Once a smart contract is deployed on the blockchain, it can't be altered, ensuring that the payout process is fair and equitable. Now that we've discussed what Chainlink is and how it works, let's explore the benefits it offers for an ordinary blockchain and crypto user. Number 1. Secure and reliable off-chain data sourcing. Security and reliability of off-chain data are one of the significant benefits that Chainlink offers. As explained above, Chainlink is designed in a way that enables smart contracts to securely access off-chain data without compromising on the trustworthiness of the smart contract or the data. The decentralized network of nodes fetches data from multiple sources on Chainlink to ensure it is accurate and reliable. This approach reduces the risk of incorrect data being used on a smart contract execution, which can have significant financial or legal implications. Number 2. A decentralized network of nodes ensuring data accuracy. Chainlink's decentralized network of nodes is a crucial feature that ensures the accuracy and reliability of off-chain data used in smart contracts as previously explained. Each node in the Chainlink network fetches data from multiple sources, and the data is then aggregated and verified by a consensus mechanism. This decentralized approach eliminates the need for a single trusted source of data, reducing the risk of data manipulation or tampering. That's not all. A decentralized approach to data sourcing also ensures that the data used is free from censorship or control by a central authority. Number 3. Automation of manual processes. In our traditional centralized industrial ecosystem, businesses still rely on manual processes to access and verify the authenticity of data, which is both time-consuming and prone to errors. However, with Chainlink smart contracts, businesses can eliminate the need for manual intervention, as it can automatically access and verify data from multiple sources. This automation can significantly reduce the costs associated with manual processes and focus on higher-level goals. Number 4. Supports interoperability between blockchain networks and off-chain systems. Chainlink is not the only kind of coin available on the market. There are lots of competitors to it, such as Band Protocol, UMA, Nest Protocol, API3, and more. However, what makes it unique from others is its ability to support interoperability between different blockchain networks and off-chain systems that can facilitate the integration of blockchain technology into existing systems. For example, a smart contract on the Ethereum network could use Chainlink to access data from a data provider that operates on a different blockchain network. such as the Polkadot network or Cardano blockchain. Number 5. Suitable for businesses that require a high level of trust in their operations. The platform's ability to provide secure and reliable off-chain data makes it suitable for businesses that require a high level of trust in their operations, while minimizing the costs such as in financial institutions, including banks and insurance companies. Utilizing Chainlink, businesses can not only reduce costs but also reduce the risks of error and fraud. Number 6. Elimination of single point of failure with a decentralized approach to data sourcing. Traditional data sourcing methods often rely on a centralized data provider, which can be vulnerable to system failures, hacks, or attacks. While on the other side, Chainlink's decentralized approach to data sourcing eliminates the risk of a single point failure, making it more secure and reliable. By distributing the data sourcing across multiple nodes, Chainlink can provide businesses with greater security, reliability, and transparency in their operations. Number 7. Potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. Chainlink has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, including finance, insurance, supply chain management, and more, due to its ability to enable new use cases and business models by providing a secure and reliable way for smart contracts to access off-chain data. By doing so, Chainlink can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase transparency in a range of industries, paving the way for new innovations and advancements. These are some of the significant benefits that Chainlink has to offer. Let's talk about the future potential of Chainlink while discussing who is backing the platform. The project was initially founded by Sergey Nazarov, along with his two partners Steve Elis and Cornell University professor Ari Joels back in 2017. However, later on in 2019, Google, one of the most popular search engines and internet service providing company, collaborated with Chainlink to enhance their user experience. Currently, Google is using Chainlink to connect cloud users with the BigQuery, which is one of the most popular cloud services offered by Google. Google is not alone. When it comes to teaming up with Chainlink, many other big tech giants like Intel, China's BSN, and T-System have also collaborated with the platform to improve their business experience. Very recently, Starkware, blockchain scaling technology platform, also announced a partnership with Chainlink Labs to bring services such as data, price feeds, and Oracle services to the StarkNet ecosystem, according to news published on the 6th of February 2023. According to the official announcement by Starkware, the platform also aims to integrate more necessary infrastructure provided by Chainlink to enable StarNet developers to build highly secure smart contracts with highly performant and increasingly complex applications with ease. As far as the question of Chainlink's future potential goes, the platform is continuously under development and still has a lot more yet to come. Talking about future potential, Falik, a crypto analyst on the Reddit Chainlink forum, said, "The reality is that Chainlink is unique because it makes a tool that's absolutely necessary for smart contracts to function. They are first to market and absolutely light years ahead of any competition when it comes to securely feeding data to smart contracts." He also went to say, if smart contracts are going to be a big deal, then the tool that Chainlink is building is going to be a core part of that. Based on the ongoing development and adoption of smart contracts, it's likely that Chainlink's demand will continue to grow over time as more industries will begin to incorporate smart contracts into their processes. Of course, like any new technology, no one can deny that there are risks and uncertainties associated with Chainlink's future potential. However, with its first mover advantage and strong market position, the platform is well positioned to continue to grow in the coming years. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos.